As a freelancer, how to get your first order on Fiverr? Let's understand this concept in this video. Do you know the concept of probability and what things are important to learn about probability and how probability will help you in getting orders on Fiverr? I will explain you with example. Rahul wants to hire content writer for his website and he has very low budget for this. So what will he do? Rahul will go on Fiverr and search for content writer. Then in front of Rahul hundreds of gigs will come. So Rahul need only 1 out of 300 gigs. Let's assume out of 300 1 gig is of your, so your chance of getting order is 1 upon 300. Now I will tell you how to make it 4 upon 303, that is 4 upon 303, that is improving the probability of getting order on Fiverr. Step number 1, create 4 Fiverr accounts from 4 different email ID. Step number 2, create gigs related to content writer, copywriter or etc. on each of your Fiverr account. Step number 3, each gig must be with different thumbnail so that out of 4 you will definitely get order on 1 gig. Step number 4, now when Rahul searched for content writer, then out of 303 4 gigs are of yours. So now probability of getting order is maximum. Step number 5, when you get your first order and you completed client's work beautifully, then client will give you 5-star rating. Step number 6, once you get rating you need not to worry. Now you get many orders from same or different clients. Step number 7, then delete your other 3 accounts as you can completely focus on only 1 account. I have given link in the description. You can download Fiverr app as you get bonus on first order when you download Fiverr from link in the description. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.